Static and dynamic website. What is a static website and what is dynamic website? Website is hosted on one or more servers and can be accessed by visiting its home page using a computer network. A website is managed by its owner, that can be an individual company or an organization. A website can be of two types: static website, dynamic website. Static website. A static website contains web pages with fixed contents. Each page is coded in HTML, CSS, JS and displays the same information to every visitor. They do not require any web programming or database. Dynamic website. A dynamic website is a site that contains dynamic pages such as templates, contents, scripts, etc. In a nutshell, the dynamic website displays various content types every time it is browsed. Static website. An easy word to creating a static website like personal portfolio website, landing page, etc. You should have a knowledge of front-end development. Dynamic website. An easy word to creating a dynamic website like Netflix, e-commerce site, any site with information that must be updated regularly. You should have a knowledge of front-end and back-end both.